Here you go. Here we go.
Watch that defense.
Hell yeah, I'm recording.
Adrian! Oh my God!
Sides!
Oh, here, never mind. Never mind. I'm moving too much. Here, it's your boyfriend, not mine.
I don't record just him though.
So here. Why is it not focused?
Out of focus.
Well, now it's not. I'm not ready on the
Javier, you need to make the throw in. Turn around.
He said everybody be on the fourth line. We're on the first one.
Come on, Carlos.
Hey, somebody stand in front of the ball.
Damn it, hot.
Oh!
Wow.
Can't wait till he puts me in and watch. I always play good on the podcast. Damn, man, they lost 5-0, right? The girls? Fuck. It's because it's the goalie.
Mm-hmm. That's the only reason.
Come on, to the side. He's already tired, man.
I think what's
Cooking's already tired.
Cooking's always tired.
I don't know why he puts him in first. The reason why he puts me in like in the second half is because I was in here for like 5 games.
And all of that could be prevented. Cussing.
My mouth is my mouth. Hey, is that a nigger?
Yes, Carlos, they caught it on there.
Sorry for that word. Right there. Ahí va el twin.
Ah, elbow me and everything.
Pechito. There you go.
Come on, Carlos.
Ezekiel, don't walk in front of the camera.
Yeah, go around. behind it. What do you mean you got? My eyes! No. Oh, es perro.
Ahí está,
Sergio.
ahí está. Chilena.
¡Ya llegó el Ronaldinho! Too lazy. Hey, you want to fight me? I have too many jackets on right now. Don't fight me. Right now. Don't put that on my
Focus.
Ooh, Ball about to save them. He took off Joe.
Hey, come back, come back.
Ah, bro, chill out. That's my fucked up toe, bro.
Where's the stand?
Stand.
The tripod, I mean.
Over there.
Can you get it so we can record it?
Hey, quick. Good job. You think y'all didn't hear that? Oh, perro.
Shut up. They farted. Well, that sounded like they forced that hoe.
It was probably you. Good job. Ah.
This shit doesn't work. You need the expensive kind, best friend. What? Hey, why isn't it whatchamacallit it? Isn't it balanced?
That's weird, right? I was like, you're practicing. Oh. And then he said, no, I said that was time.
There. I just balanced it.
There, it's fine.
No, it's not.
I think it's easier like that.
Because it's just up from right
Al medio.
here.
Romero, when you gonna make changes? If I don't play, I'm quitting, Romero. He probably will.
I need one of those in my shoe.
What? The one?
Yeah. Don't walk in front of the camera!
Oh my god. Get off of the fucking field.
I'm about to play.
Outside.
Ole.
Oh, Coquín. Coquín.
Víctor, tienes que estar allí a la primera.
Hey, Chris. Better knock that ball, bro. Hey, Chris, do it. Come on, bro, do it, bro. Come on, bro. Bro, the camera's here for you, bro. Oh, that was a good one.
Get it, Twin.
Oh, you hit my face.
I'm sorry, I'm cold.
Saca el Cuquín un rato.
Why you back though?
Romero, saca el Cuquín de volada. Because he owed me some money.
He has your money. He's in his backpack.
Oh, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know where he's
He has it.
You don't know where he's backpack?
Nope. It's gonna be in the locker room.
Hardly.
Nah, it's not those.
Put him Behind
He
you!
changed. Yeah, or over there. Cookie! Nah, so we know you.
Aren't you gonna play?
Yeah, well, he said in a minute.
A minute past. Like a minute ago.
In a while.
Whatever.
In the wild.
Oh, that is it.
Get it, twin.
Why you don't cheer for me like that?
I actually like some of these players. You want me to cheer for you?
Number 15. Out of the way.
Damn, stand 4 lines behind it.
Hey,
Y'all are supposed to be in lane 4.
there you go, there you go.
It's from this way and back. And you're still on 3.
Chris, move!
Right there. Man, he needs to pass the ball, man.
Boy, my fucking...
Goalie!
Go, Chris.
Yeah?
Hey, hold up, hold up.
Jonathan!
Hold up.
Hey, who want this?
Me?
Right here, right
Oh,
here,
never
right
mind.
here, right here. Nah, bro, let me see it, bro. You got a jacket on, bro.
So?
Come on, man. Ah, bro. Oh, my God. Hey,
That's what gives you the use of one fucker. This one's warm. Damn, this friend.
It needs my butt.
el otro Jackie Chan, pero marihuana.
Around!
You can hear it, baby.
Sides!
Hey, where's Cristiano? I'm gonna cheer for him.
Oh, I wouldn't zoomed in on that.
Hey, bro, he turned that nigga, bro. Hey, Romero, did he tunnel him? He tunneled him, right?
No, he just brought it like this.
Hey, there's one tanto!
Who'd they do it to? Which one?
Javier.
He's gonna be screaming too much, man.
Hey, which one is which? One is what?
Oscar.
And that's Griselda's, right?
Sergio, yeah.
Sergio's Griselda's?
Corner.
Number 2.
Nah, he called the corner already.
Pretty boy!
Ah.
Pretty boy!
Yeah, he called
Hey! Thanks for checking.
Oh.
Where do I put it?
Which one?
Hey, just run straight. Just run.
15, get out of the way.
Yeah, move.
Y'all need to go around the camera.
What?
Misa, did y'all win?
No, it's nothing. Nothing.
Tied.
Just like you.
Oh! Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Ah! It's good.
Yeah, was that? They were good too.
Who'd y'all play?
Dang.
Some sashi.
Sounds like sushi.
Some sashi.
Did y'all just get back?
Yeah.
There's a ball. Move! Where'd it go? I'm like pinching and thinking that it's in my hand.
Mira, pura cachada.
Get out of the way!
Come on, Twin.
Wait, one is Oscar.
The one that makes all the goals. Sergio's defense.
That was so we could have pushed it.
Middle.
It is.
I don't know where the ball is at.
The road. Go hard.
Come on, Cookie. Come on, Carlos.
Ah, shit.
Oh shit. He jumped on top of him. Come on, Oscar.
That's Sergio.
Right there, right there, right there.
Good job, good job, good job, good job.
Just say Twin.
I'm gonna stick to Twin.
Bro!
He's not gonna pass it back.
How can he?
Come on, bro.
Number 2 is Sergio.
Hey, what's the last day of the month? 29? 31st?
31st on February.
Alright, 25, 24.
And number 2 is Griselda.
10 days. Hey, bro.
2 is Sergio.
What's that one? Ten days is my first baseball game. 10 days. That's 7. We're watching on Monday. On Monday.
Hey, Romero. Oh no, hey, it has to be an our throwing.
That's Sergio.
That's Sergio?
Yeah.
Wait, someone go silver and prove it. Wait, that's Sergio, right? Number 2 is Sergio, right?
Yes.
Romero. Ref.
Bro! Never mind. Bro!
Move, little one.
Hey, that's the first time I'm
Why did Carlos get all the way over?
Sorry. He feels that we're screaming at him. He needs to stop. I think we should go.
Oh, look, the bench.
My toes are hurting. Ew!
Hey, look at that bench, bro. Like, for.
Hey, that's your bench. Y'all go kick him out. Bench warmers. Like, no. Like, y'all don't even have a bench.
They don't need it.
Yeah.
Next up.
She was running for the bus, she just like fell.
I like this. I'm sick.
She was
Ándale, Piquín. Watch him go in. Is that a ghost in there?
Did you get him? Zoom out. Okay, there, go.
Bro!
I can take a picture of it later.
Come on, Carlos.
Carlos, don't stop.
Black man, come on.
That's why he stopped.
He is black.
Audio don't come on later, right?
Can I take it off? Yeah. In that case, beep, 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 beep.
Hey, let me get one of those hand warmers.
Hey,
Did they score?
¡Aviéntese, Tuca!
Hey, go.
Go.
Go, Victor.
Go, little one. Victor!
It's right there. I'll tell y'all, them white jerseys are bad luck.
They are?
His friend, hold this.
We need Misa back.
Yeah, yeah, dude.
He's voicing. They lost anyways. They lost versus. So.
Yeah. The hell?
What happened, Carlos?
I'm playing Monday.
A double cheeseburger.
Me? Hey, I want chicken sandwich.
And large fries.
No está frío, güey. Mira, güey. It's not even cold.
Nobody asked you.
I wasn't talking to you.
I don't care.
Man, it's a hand warmer.
Ay, voy, güey.
It's a hand warmer.
Mira.
Hey, I'm not even recording right. Who's friend?
You want to record?
I don't want him to touch anything on mine.
Stop!
He's overprotective with his baby.
Hey, I'm hurt.
The one he kicked earlier?
Why do you have one now?
Can I stop recording?
Hurts if you step on the Nah, playing. Nah, it's just gonna pass the ball and this nigga push me. I stood like this. So, like, oh, this hurts. Fucking hurts. And then my leg up
Toes
here
are
hurts.
getting numb. I need to go inside.
Why?
My toes can warm up. Man, stop this video.
It's not even cold, nigga.
Hey, look, just leave it up there.
For real, that's what we should.
Put tape on his or nothing. And that's